It's never a bad idea to catch tomorrow morning's weather before heading off to bed.
14 is what we see right now.
But for Mechanicsburg's Jessica Heller and her daughter, sitting down to Eric's forecast each night is part of a new routine.
I have a bunch of different hats and scarves.
That may very well mean the difference between life and death. 14-year-old Kayla is allergic to cold weather.
I have cold-induced urticaria.
That means when the temps drop below 50 degrees, Kayla is at risk.
People are really, I've never heard of that. Well, we didn't hear of it either.
That is until nearly 2 years ago, after a 30-minute swim in Laurel Lake almost killed her.
And within 5 minutes of me leaving the lake, I started having hives. I passed out. I wasn't processing oxygen right, and I had a seizure.
Now on 4 different allergy drugs
black end against outer thigh.
and forced to carry an EpiPen, Kayla's no longer allowed in the water. She avoids eating popsicles and ice cream cones. And most importantly, she can't spend prolonged amounts of time outside, especially during a winter like this.
One of the first things that happens is my fingers and my toes will swell up.
Jessica says she wishes other parents would remember conditions like Kayla's when school is delayed.
These temperatures, we're not used to and we're not supposed to be able to sustain them. I understand it throws a wrench in the work schedule, but you gotta there's kids like Kay who really can't stand out, and I'd rather have her miss 2 hours than have to miss a whole day.
Now, even though the winter has been bad, this condition actually affects Kayla year-round. Even in the summer, air conditioning can be a huge concern, and that's one of the reasons this family has never moved to a warmer state. They say all of their support system and extended family is here in central Pennsylvania, and so it simply wouldn't be worth it to move to a place like, say, Arizona if Kayla was still going to be suffering. Working for you, I'm Megan Healy, ABC 27 News.